So you guys, baby's owners, the new owners are here out in the waiting room, and we're gonna surprise them because they're about to meet her for the first time. So let's take a look at her. We're so excited. Thank you to everybody for your submissions too, but woman's a huge Dachshund, so let's see what her reaction is. So follow me, come on. Let's even got her a care package too. Okay. Where's baby's new mommy?
Yeah.
Oh, get over here, she.
How are you? Oh my God.
Hi. Oh, isn't you know? I know.
Oh my God.
I know.
I want like 12 more of them.
Oh yeah, no, they're like Doritos, right? You just can't have one. Yeah. No. Oh, is she giving you kisses?
Oh my God, I got chills. I can't stand it.
Package for her too.
Oh,
As a thank you for adopting her from our vet hospital, Brick Vet. We love you.
Oh, I can't.
Get his head in there.
I can't.
Bye, baby.
Dreams of you.